Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page. It's been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is faith. Faith, faith, faith. I want you to believe in yourself. I want you to dig deep. I want you to believe in your intellect. You have a great idea. You have a new way of living. You have a new creation. I want you to put some walk behind that talk, some bite behind that bark, because faith without works are dead. So it's time to put in the work right now. It's time to the intellect or the idea, the intuition that you have. I want you to act on it. And Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength will complement it and it will bring it to light. I'm confident I will achieve my goals, which you always do, Virgo. You're a logical sign. You're a real sign. You're not into illusions. You're not into lies. You're into truth. That's why you always manifest great things for the world and for yourself. I live in the present and I have faith in the future. I firmly believe in my value within the universe, which is priceless. Continue to move forward because I need you. The world needs you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.